In today's video, we are going to talk about how to file Form I-130 online for a spouse. If you are new to this channel, my name is Sliman and I make videos for a family-based immigration to simplify the immigration process and give you a confidence to go through your immigration journey by yourself. First of all, I am not an immigration attorney. I'm here to help you based on the information you have from US CIS website. If you find this video very helpful, please subscribe, share for the future upload, and give us a big like so YouTube can share the video with more people. So if you're ready, let's get started. To file Form I-130, you must be a US citizen or a lawful permanent resident if you want to bring your spouse to the United States. Form I-130 petition for alien relative is the first step in the family-based immigration process. It is a long process, but you gotta be patient. In this video, I will walk you through step by step how to file the Form I-130 petition online, explain the required documents, show you how to complete and upload Form I-130A, and share tips to help you to avoid common mistakes that can cause delays. Whether your spouse is living in the United States or abroad, this guide will help you understand the process and prepare a strong petition from start to finish. So now let's go to US CIS account. If you don't have one, you need to create a US CIS online account. How we do that? It is very simple. Just go to this link right here, uscis.gov, and click on sign up and create your account. And I have a video on my channel on how to do that. So if you're ready now, let's get started. Once you create your USCIS account and you log into your account, it's gonna show like this right here. So go to my account, select from this drop-down menu right here, select File a Form Online. So it's gonna take you to this page right here, File a Form. The first, they're gonna give you some information right here. For this form, will stay in the system for 30 days. After 30 days, will be automatically deleted if you do not submit it. The second thing they're gonna give you some information about is a fee waiver. If you are planning to file for a fee waiver, which is I-912, you must file a paper version. USCIS updated their website. Now you can do both. If you want to file online, you file the form online, or you can file the paper version, then upload it. In this case, they're gonna allow you to upload I-912 to apply for a fee waiver. That's what this video for today. So we're gonna do file a form online, but by a paper version. So we're gonna file form I-130 as a PDF form, save it in the computer, then upload it. That's what the video's today. So let's go right here and select the form you want to file online. It's gonna be I-130 petition for alien relative. Let's move on, continue. This is what I was talking about. There is two options. Select between the following options. Fill out form filled online or upload filled out PDF form. So this video is gonna be the second option right here. And if you want to upload the fee waiver, you can do that as well if you are eligible for a fee waiver. So let's do that. I-130 petition for alien relative. Please read this information right here. It is very, very important. So I'm not going to spend time about this. Just please read it. Next, they still talking about a lot about I-130, completing your form online and a lot of stuff right here. This is very, very important information. You must read it. So let's go click on start. So before you begin, a petitioner is a U.S. citizen or a lawful permanent resident who files an alien petition on behalf of a family member. In this case, it's going to be for a spouse. For whom are you filing this petition? I-130 eligibility selections is going to be for a spouse. As soon as you selected a petition for a spouse, they're going to give you a warning. You selected you are petitioning for a spouse. You will need to upload the supplemental information for spouse beneficiary I-130A as a part of the evidence of this petition. So in this video, you will need I-130 form, PDF form, and I-130A as a PDF form or other format. But for I-130, must be PDF format. Do not include anything on it. It must be for the whole pages in one PDF. Now, we will talk about that when we get to that point. Are you a U.S. citizen or a lawful permanent resident? In my case, a U.S. citizen. You select the one that apply for you. Excuse me. Sorry, I don't have a mouse. Next, PDF form upload. Upload all pages of the form I-130, even if you left them blank. All pages from page 1 to part 1 to part 9. All pages from the first page to the last page. It doesn't matter if it's left blank. All of them must be uploaded in one PDF. Do not add anything to it. Any supporting details, I'm talking about I-130. Do not add anything to it. Must be I-130 by itself. All pages, even if left blank. So in here, they're going to go file upload requirement. They accept only one format, which is PDF. And the format maximum size is 12 megabytes. So USCIS knows the maximum file they have for I-130. So it must be less than 12 megabytes. So I'm going to go ahead and choose the file I-130. I have it right here, I-130. The system will upload I-130 and it's going to look for a number, date of birth, the filing eligibility, and USCIS online account if you have one. If you don't have one, it does not, it does not process it. But mainly it looks for a number and date of birth and eligibility. That's the three criteria the system is scanning for. If you find everything is good, the status is going to be complete and it's going to give you an option to go next. Now, let's go next. Now, they're going to ask you for your citizenship. Citizenship is a U.S. birth certificate or certificate of naturalization, certificate of citizenship, form FS-240, consular report of birth abroad, or the biographic page of U.S. passport. So they're going to give you format right here. As you can see, they accept this format right here. So now, for my case, I'm going to upload the naturalization certificate. The system will scan it. If it finds the right format, it will accept it. Then it's going to go next. It's going to give you the option to go next. Proof of marriage. You will need to upload the proof of marriage. So you will need a marriage certificate. And it has to be in this format right here and must be less than 12 megabytes. And of course, it has to be clear, readable. So I'm not going to keep repeating that. So you must know that. So choose a file. I'm going to look for marriage certificate. System will scan it. And then it's going to give you an option to select which type of document. So in my case, is marriage certificate. Next. 2 by 2 4 of you means the petitioner. So do not be confused right here. 2 by 2 4 of you means the petitioner. I'm going to go right here. I'm going to select photo for a petitioner. Next. Now it's going to ask you 2 by 2 photo for your spouse. I'm sorry, I don't have a photo for spouse, but for learning purposes, I'm going to show you how to upload a photo of two for a wife. This is just myself. So I'm going to upload the same photo. I don't have one for spouse, just for privacy purposes. I'm not going to upload the my spouse photo. So next, mainly it has to be 2 by 2, clear and readable, and less than 12 megabyte. That's the most important. And the format has to be JPG. Next, additional proof of marriage. So if you have anything that will help your case as additional proof of marriage, add it. Documentation showing a joint ownership property if you have a property together, or leasing agreement, uh, or something that show you're living together in the same address, which is good. Documentation showing that you and your spouse having combined your financial resources. That's the best one. And also the best one is the birth certificate of a child born to you and your spouse, biological child. So here what I'm going to do right here is I have a mortgage contract. I'm sorry, joint bank account. So I'm gonna here select the document type. So it's bona fide relationship. Next. Now they ask you to upload form I-130A. 130A must be in this five format right here. So you must file the form I-130A. If your spouse abroad, you don't have to sign it, just upload it, date it, and upload it. If your spouse within the United States, it must be signed, then scan it, then upload it. So let's go here, choose a file, look for I-130A, open, system will scan it. Here, select document type is form I-130A. We go next. Official statement. So if you have anything that will help your case, add it. In my case, I don't have any official statements. So what I'm going to go right here, just leave it blank. But the system will give you a warning once you click on continue. Missing evidence. Don't worry about it. If you don't have it, you don't have it. So we're going to go next. So additional evidence. I always ask people to add anything that you will see will help your case. It won't matter. Just add it. If you see it's going to help your case, add it. It has to be clear and readable and less than 12 megabyte, and it is eligible. Next, I don't have nothing to add right here, so I'm going to go next. If you see right here, missing evidence is just a warning. Next. So we found no alert warning in your application or petition. So everything looks good. And the filing fee is 625. You save 50 bucks. And also you will have a lot of option if you want to add something to your case after you submit your case. That's the good things about filing the form online. So next, now it's gonna take you to review the I-130 form information. So just go through this information right here. Make sure everything looks good. Then click next. Now we got right here to the last option. You're gonna click this. I have read and agree to declaration and certification. Now your signature. This is a digital signature. If you sign it, you click next. It's gonna take you to next step where you gonna pay and then submit your form I-130. As I mentioned, this video was for a form I-130 online, but by a paper, but filing a PDF form. I will do a next video for I-130 online by filing the field online. So this is the end of this video. I hope you like it. If you do, please subscribe, share, hit notification bell. Thank you, and see you next video.